Hi, this is Valerie from Formosa Covers. I'm back again, and today I'm going to be explaining to you our two different fabric types and the difference between them and which different fabric type is going to be best for you. So we have two. It's going to be our 600 denier, and one of them is going to be our olefin fabric. And we've gotten many questions. What's the difference? Which one's right for me? Which one should I buy? Why is olefin more expensive? And so today the entire goal is to be able to run down it super quick and easy for you to understand what fabric is going to be best for you.
Starting off with our 600 denier replacement canopies, not all polyester is created equal. Our 600 denier polyester is built heavier and tougher than standard options you'll find on the market. At 270 GSM, which is grams per square meter, it carries 50% more material weight than typical umbrella polyester. What that means for you is a denser weave, better resistance to wind stress, and a canopy that holds its shape and color season after season. On top of that, it's going to be UV treated to slow down sun damage and water resistant so light rain and moisture aren't a concern. It's a fabric that's built to handle real outdoor conditions, not just look good on a spec sheet. Because it's available in a wide range of colors and sizes, it's going to be the right fit for most people shopping for a replacement canopy. If you've ever had a cheap canopy fade or sag by midsummer, the difference starts right here in the weight and density of the fabric itself. Now let's get into our olefin replacement canopies. Now, if you've heard of Sunbrella, the fabric that you'll find on high-end resort umbrellas and commercial patio furniture, our olefin canopies are built on that same fundamental technology. Both are solution-dyed fabrics. That means the color isn't applied after the fabric is made, but it's mixed directly into the fiber during production all the way through to the core. Think of it like a carrot versus a radish. A radish is red on the outside but white in the middle. That's how standard polyester holds its dye. A carrot is orange all the way through. Now that's olefin. Once UV exposure breaks that down, the color fades with it. But olefin does not work that way. And that difference is everything when it comes to how long your color lasts outdoor. Now, our 600 denier polyester is already a step above what most brands offer. It's heavier, denser, and built to last. Olefin takes color longevity to a different level entirely, with 15 times the color fastness of standard polyester. So if your canopy lives in full direct sun year after year, olefin's going to hold that vibrant color noticeably longer over time. It also brings natural stain resistance to the table. Spills, pollen, tree sap, most of it wipes right off without any scrubbing or special cleaners. The trade-off is that olefin comes in a more limited color range. We carry in turquoise, yellow, capri blue, black, and navy. So if you need a specific color match, our 600 denier lineup is going to give you far more options to work with. But if your space gets full sun all day and you love bold colors and you want that color to stay vibrant season after season, olefin is going to be the fabric that's built for exactly that.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully within this video you were able to learn the difference between our fabrics and you were able to figure out which one is going to be the best fit for you. Again, we're always open to any questions or concerns, so if you're still confused and you still don't know which one to choose, don't hesitate to reach out to us and we'll be able to help pick out the best fabric, the best color that you're looking for your patio this year.